Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey guys! So if you notice, I'm in the same outfit as what I wore on my makeup routine video. You're very observant. I'm going to show you guys how I transformed my bathroom. I just wanted a new makeover in the new year, and so I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys what I did to kind of spruce it up. It's nothing major because this is a rental, and you guys requested a lot more home decor videos, so I kind of thought it would be fun to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of that. I really loved the way my bathroom turned out, and I think you guys will too. I will link it all in the description box for you guys if I can find it. Let's just go ahead and jump in. Wash this toilet, so it's clean right now, which is why I'm using it as a tripod. But I wanted to talk about why I decided to kind of revamp this bathroom. And when I moved in here, I just kind of put the stuff that was in our old bathroom at the apartment into this place because I didn't really care about this bathroom, to be honest. I was like, whatever, I'll do it whenever I feel like doing it, and now's the time. And I wanted to finally make it feel a little bit more homey and warm and just inviting. I want that little window that's in the bathroom to actually make it feel light, if that makes any sense. I figured it'd be fun to add some greenery to this space. I wanted to show you guys the inspiration that I'm going for, so I'm going to put the 3 inspiration pictures on the screen right now, and obviously those bathrooms have a little bit more flexibility because they're not rentals probably, but mine's a rental, so I can't do too much to the space. So as you can see, this bathroom is very small. Definitely not the most spacious place, but Cody calls it his bathroom because it's right next to his office. And I have this old Anthropologie bath mat, which has seen better days. I don't know, it's just not, it doesn't fit the space, basically is what I'm saying. Then I have my old Anthropologie shower curtain, which I adore. Definitely gonna keep it, hopefully, for my next house. Unfortunately, this kind of makes it feel a little cooler than I want it to feel. I want it to feel very warm. We're gonna have to change this. And the first thing I got for this space is this new shower curtain from Target. It was, I think, $25, but I got it on sale for $22. Say bye, Felicia, to this old shower curtain, and hello to this Opal House one that I got from Target. This one's a lot more lighter too. So because my bathroom doesn't have like permanent shower rods, they're actually temporary ones, like the ones that you just buy at like Target and stuff. They kind of fall down sometimes. So this is going to be nice not to have such a heavy one in this space. So here is what the new shower curtain that I got from Target looks like. Oh, I need to put the seat down. Much better. And I just think it matches correctly. Like, I think it's the right shade of white, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And we're gonna say goodbye to this one. But I need to wash it first. I'm in the tub. It is what it is. But I wanted to take you to this little corner of my tub area. Honestly, this is not really used basically at all. And so it's mainly just like a bathroom decoration because no one uses the shower except Miller here. And then maybe like once every few months we have guests. So here's what I decided to do is I got this from Anthropologie. I love unfinished wood with like the subway tiles. I think it adds like a fun little pop because it just really pops against the white. And so I definitely wanted to order this when I saw it on Anthropologie, and I ended up getting it for 30% off because it was during Black Friday. And I had this cactus just chilling around my house and it just didn't really have a home, so I was like, well, sure, we can put a cactus in a shower. So if you have a real cactus, I don't really recommend doing that. Since this one is fake, it kind of just is a little fun right there. And then I also added the shampoo and conditioner bottles that were amber glass. I just realized I deleted the footage where I showed you guys this. This is from Amazon. Don't worry guys, I'm going to get slip grips on the bottom of them because it is glass. I don't want them shattering when people are actually using them in the shower or anything like that. But I should have gotten plastic bottle versions, but what can you do? Above, I ended up taking just like, it was such an awkward little indentation to like work with that I ended up putting an IKEA watering can and then just putting a fake plant that I also had laying around my house. And I thought it'd be fun because nothing can survive around here. Hello, buddy. Do you want to say hi? He's like, oh my god, I'm getting a bath. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The next thing I'm going to show you guys. Sorry, by the way, this is such a casual video. I'm like, is this even going to be fun for you guys? I have no idea. As you guys know, I ordered that amber glass soap dispenser from Amazon and I love it. And I wanted to find something to hold Cody's toothbrush because he brushes his teeth down here. Don't worry you guys, we still sleep in the same bed. I know that Target sells them and they were a little expensive and I was like, am I really paying like $15? I went thrift shopping and you guys, I paid $2 for this and this is from Target. Look at that. Toothbrush holder, $2, brand new. I was like, oh my god, this is the best day ever. I think it was kind of funny that that's what ended up being at my thrift store and it worked out for the best because obviously like this one's a little bit more orange, but in the grand scheme of things you really can't tell in real life, but you can definitely tell on camera. That's life, you know. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about why I chose to put a plant, an actual real plant in here since it doesn't get a lot of sun. We do have this big window, so it's nice when I do have this over here, so then it can get some sun. But this is actually great for bathrooms. This is a Devil's Ivy Golden Pothos. We love her. The bathroom when I was in New York City visiting had one of these and it was ginormous, and so that was the inspiration behind that. What I'm about to show you guys is my favorite part of the bathroom and I'm so excited. I found this on Etsy and so it's going to be difficult for you guys to find it, but besides that I will link some in the description box that are similar. I bought this because it really just pops against the white and I'm so hyped. Before there was like a long runner type mat in the bathroom and I just was not obsessed with it anymore, so I found the perfect little Turkish rug to put by the sink and it just honestly matches the wood perfectly. I couldn't have picked anything better. It just looks so good with the bathroom. Oh my gosh, why does my phone case match so well? So I just got this little basket in from the thrift store. I got it for 50 cents because it was half off, which is exciting. But I thought it'd be really cute to use, even though it's not really like the bright brown. I'm going to use it for like putting stuff in that guests would need. Like I'm going to put my plant tonic and I'm going to put this in there and what else? Okay, that doesn't look that great, but you get what I'm doing. I really want to put something above my toilet, but I haven't found the right thing yet and I don't want to be putting permanent holes in the wall when it's like something I'm not 100% sold on, and so until I find something perfect I'm not going to hang something there. This was like low-key the inspiration, but like I think it turned out pretty great if you ask me. Did you guys like this video? If you guys did, let me know in the comments below. I think it was really fun to kind of like walk you through why I did the things I did to this bathroom. So if you guys have a bathroom that you don't use that often that you want to make look super cute, join me in on this. I'm going to link everything that I potentially can in the description box below. So that was the grand finale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!